name is Catherine. Last year I decided to do my backyard, especially my pool. It was a huge mess. So I called a couple of companies to give me an estimate, and I didn't like any of them. But then my neighbor did just a few months ago his backyard, completely everything. I asked him who did it. He told me the name of Sequoia, and especially told me ask for Itay or Jonathan. I went to his house, I see the work they did, and I love it. I contact them, they came to my house, we signed the contract, and they completely redid my pool, put new pavers. My backyard looked beautiful. I am so happy I did this. I can't wait for summer to come to completely enjoy, especially my pool. Everything is so gorgeous. Those guys are very honest, very knowledgeable. They're on time. They do what they tell they will do. And this is what I like about them. They really, really know what they're doing. And I want to thank them. Sequoia, thank you for beautiful work you did in my house. Thank you.